Hello everyone, welcome to this video on the line chart. So let me drag this. I already created a master sheet, another master sheet, and I drag this fleet cost chart that I have added to the master visualizations. So let me add this line chart here. So for the dimension, I'm going to add this delivered to client date, which is a hierarchical dimension. And for the measure, I'm going to see the delivery delay. So you can see how, so you can see how this is varying. And when I let me just add the filter pane as the brand. By the way, you need to understand that probably I told you before that all the filters that I have created in the previous sheets are available when I see the dashboard view. You can choose to delete them. I think I deleted the filters for the previous sheets, but they will be there by default. Yeah, so let's drill down. Let's see how this looks here. So currently, I just have the brand filter, but I can add the other filters as well, which are available in the previous sheets. They will be available by default. So, okay, first of all, let me just see the appearance here. Yeah, so for the appearance, let me click on this area chart. Area chart is much better. I don't want to see the mini chart, which is at the bottom, which basically shows me, allows me to scroll the different areas of the chart. So let me just specify the color. Yeah, this seems okay. And yeah, for the x-axis, everything seems fine. I can choose the logarithmic scale, but there might be zero value, so it might not be able to give me a good estimate on that. So this seems okay for the time being. And if I go to the data, for the delivery delay, I can add the trend line, and the trend line is typically the average line. So it is showing me the trend, the average, or I can also have the other options here, but I don't want to see that. So the average is like maybe I can see it when I see the dashboard view. In any case, let's go to this edit sheet now. And you can see that the delays, how the delays were varying with respect to 2007 till 2015. So for the last 3 years, the delays have been increasing. Here I have selected the brands. So let me just select all. So for all the brands, this is the case here. Just deselect. Let's just focus on these brands for the time being. So now I want to drill down across 2013. So here when I select this, so this is the period. And when I click on this button, so it's going to drill down with respect to the quarters of that year, right? And when I drill down with respect to this point, I can click on OK. And it's going to show me for April, May, and June. So in this way, I can browse through this hierarchy and, just monitor what's happening across the different the timestamps. Okay, so let me just click on edit sheet and we'll just put it up here, and we'll drag another line chart like right here. So in this line chart again, I'm going to see the same dimension delivered to client date, but now I want to add more than one measure. So I want to analyze these two ratios that I have. So one is the insurance, and the other I can add is here, narrative value per weight. And obviously for both of them, I can add the trend line. That's going to help me, see their trends. And again, for the appearance, I would want to choose the area chart for both of them. So it will be more convenient for me to analyze them. And obviously, I can just go away with this mini chart. Okay, and let me also just delete this brand. I just want to delete this, and let me add the filter pane for. Oh, I could have changed from here as well. So let me add the filter pane for shipment mode. That's pretty much more convenient. So now let's click on edit sheet. So now here I can see this the delivery delays, which I've already analyzed in different charts before. So let's analyze for the ocean one. So I think it's just right now. All of them together is like this, and if I just this is not showing for that in any case. So let's focus on these three for the time being. There might be some issue with the values here in any case. So if I just for air and air charter, so this is how the delays are varying, and this is how the line item value for insurance and the per weight are varying for these two. So I can choose to just drill down here. You can see it is drilling down with respect to the other charts as well. So this way I can just go back and go forward between the different dates. So this is how the line charts are helping us monitoring the some KPI across different units of time. You can create the hierarchy. There is one other thing that you can also modify the hierarchy here. Like for example, I have the measure, I have this dimension delivered to, so I can edit this dimension to add other things that I want. I just so this one, the delivered to, I can just click on edit, as I have to give it permission obviously. So I can add other variables here. There might be other variables, for example, years ago, quarters ago, quarter relative number in MTD, etc. So you have to understand the the values, the purpose of these variables, and you can add them. One other thing is that I can also add the value colors. So that is not possible, I think, in the drill down, but for the single dimension, I can add the value colors here. For example, if I edit this, so I can, this is what I can add. So for each, I can add the color here, but right now we're auto-filling, but currently we don't have the time for that. So, okay, I'll just label this. So we can call it the delivery delay per delivery delay for across something like that. You need to make the charts longer. Similarly, you can label that as well. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it has been helpful, and you should definitely try to explore other options yourself. I will be talking about this alternative dimensions later on, as we'll be talking about regarding the states. Okay, thanks for watching this video.